Whenever a serious crash happens or whenever there's a medical emergency, first responders rush to the scene to help. But lawmakers in Augusta say rescue crews like paramedics and EMTs desperately need more money to operate. The Blue Ribbon Commission met in Augusta today to review how to help these agencies. News Center Maine's Sam Olson sat in on the briefing and joins us with more about the commission's top priorities. Sam?
Hi, Chris. The chair of the commission, Senator Chip Curry, says Maine's emergency medical services are in a fragile the EMS system. He says distributing funding to the agencies that need it most is critical. Curry says there are some agencies at risk of folding because the amount of money they receive from the state is not nearly what it costs them to provide the services people in their communities count on. Discussions behind these doors this morning centered around the fragility of EMS services across Maine.
There's a real risk to EMS providers.
The Blue Ribbon Commission says the EMS agencies most at risk of going under aren't receiving the funding they need to stay afloat. The legislature allocated $31 million for sustainability and stabilization funds, but Commission co-chair and Maine House Speaker Rachel Talbot Ross says agencies are still waiting to get the relief.
But none of the money, bottom line, has gone out to save emergency medical services that's in a crisis.
Blue Ribbon Commission co-chair Senator Chip Curry says agencies are currently applying to get a piece of $12 million, but it may take a year or so for EMS providers to have access to the other $19 million.
That's part of the question mark, is how long is that going to take? Because we needed to come out. We can't wait a year for it. And that's what some of the early estimates of what it might take to get through rulemaking and come up with a plan. And so that is our struggle.
Commissioners noted reimbursement rates to EMS providers are not keeping pace with the cost of providing services, leaving a large $70 million gap the state is working to fill. And the commission recommends allocating $70 million per year for the next 5 years to do so. Senator Curry says he's hopeful that by discussing the commission's recommendations today, members of the Criminal Justice and Public Safety Committee will have the knowledge they need to address the immediate needs. The Blue Ribbon Commission recommends more timely distributions of money the legislature has already approved. As $31 million is still sitting unused, Senator Chip Curry says it's urgent that the money gets to the agencies that really need it.
Wow, Sam, a lot of money on the table. Thanks so much.